The gut-brain connection. How your microbiome calibrates your stress response. For a long time, we have understood that the gut and the brain are in constant conversation. We feel it physically, the butterflies in our stomach before a speech, or the tightening of our midsection during high-pressure moments. However, new research suggests this connection is much more influential than simple physical sensation. Recent findings published in Neurobiology of Stress indicate that the trillions of bacteria living in your digestive tract, your gut microbiota, may actually be responsible for tuning how your body responds to stress. Understanding the gut-brain axis, the communication between your gut and your brain happens via the gut-brain axis, a complex bidirectional highway. This network utilizes the vagus nerve, immune signaling, and various metabolites to send messages back and forth. At the heart of this system is the hypothalamic-pituitary-adrenal (HPA) axis, the body's primary stress management network. When you face a challenge, the HPA axis triggers the release of cortisol, the hormone that mobilizes energy and sharpens focus. In a healthy system, cortisol levels spike to help you meet a threat and then return to a baseline once the danger has passed. The emerging science suggests that your gut microbes act as the calibration settings for this entire process. The science, diversity equals reactivity. Researchers at the University of Vienna conducted a study to see how gut composition affects stress reactivity in healthy adults. By analyzing stool samples and monitoring cortisol levels during a standardized stress task, which involves mental arithmetic under time pressure, they uncovered a surprising correlation. Higher gut microbial diversity was linked to higher cortisol and subjective stress reactivity. At first glance, this might seem counterintuitive. One might assume a healthy gut would lead to a calmer, more stoic response. However, the researchers argue that a robust stress response is actually a sign of a high-functioning system. Why reacting is better than blunting in the context of biology. A strong stress response is not the same as being stressed out. The goal is flexibility, adaptive response. A diverse microbiome may help the body mount a sharp, effective response to acute stress, allowing you to navigate challenges efficiently. The danger of blunted responses. A lack of reactivity, a blunted response, has been linked to depression and anxiety. The danger of chronic stress. Conversely, an exaggerated or non-stopping response leads to the damaging effects of chronic stress. Essentially, a diverse gut appears to support a system that can turn on when needed and turn off once the task is done. The chemical regulators. Short-chain fatty acids. The study also highlighted the role of short-chain fatty acids, SCFA, byproducts created when your gut bacteria ferment dietary fiber. These chemicals act as fine-tuners for the stress response. Butyrate. Bacteria that produce butyrate were associated with higher cortisol reactivity. Propionate. Bacteria that produce propionate were associated with lower cortisol reactivity. This suggests the gut isn't just a simple on-off switch. It is a sophisticated regulatory system using different chemical signals to fine-tune your physiological readiness. Building stress resilience through gut health. While we cannot control our bacteria directly, we can influence them through our lifestyle. Since the gut-brain axis is bidirectional, chronic stress can damage your microbiome, and a damaged microbiome can make you more vulnerable to stress. To support a flexible and resilient stress response, experts suggest focusing on fiber-rich foods. Vegetables, fruits, legumes, and whole grains serve as the primary fuel for SCFA-producing bacteria. Fermented foods, incorporating yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, or kefir, can help boost microbial diversity. Stress management. Practicing recovery techniques helps prevent chronic stress from disrupting your gut ecosystem. Protecting the microbiome. Reducing the use of unnecessary antibiotics and minimizing ultra-processed foods can help maintain microbial balance. The bottom line, a healthy gut isn't one that keeps you perpetually calm. It is one that provides the biological flexibility to respond to life's challenges effectively and recover quickly.